We're going to start on 1. 1, 2, ready, play. Just get used to playing all the way through the keyboard. Alright, let's speed it up and we'll do a double time. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. Let's go to 2, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now we'll do double time off of 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2. Very good. Let's go to 3, half time. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Double time it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go to 4. Very good. Double time. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Good. Go to the 5. Double time. 1, 2. Go to 6. And it's okay if you need to stop the video and get it under your hands and then start again. Double time. Very good. All right, so let's do our right hand. Same thing. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Double time. 2, 3, 4. On the 2. Double time and go to 3. It's our 2 white notes. Double time. Four. Double time. Very good. Let's bring this hand down here so we have a little bit more room and then they're closer together. All right, so let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you can find a fingering that's comfortable for you. Double time. Go to 2. So you can switch your fingering if you like. It's going to change depending on where you're going and what melody you're playing. Double time. We're on 3 now. Double time. Yeah. To the 4. Good. Double time. To the 5. Double time. Six. Double time. Very good. Now, that's the importance and the power of knowing your power chords. Hope you guys learned something. See you in the next video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications. We'll be dropping new videos every single week. All right, see you soon.